When it comes to understanding your business's financial health, the balance sheet report in QuickBooks is a valuable tool. It provides a snapshot of your company's financial condition at a specific point in time. To access the report, log into QuickBooks and navigate to the Reports section. Search for Balance Sheet or browse the available options. The report is divided into 3 sections: assets, liabilities, and equity. Assets include current and long-term assets, while liabilities encompass current and long-term obligations. The equity section represents ownership value. The balance sheet report helps assess your business's stability, obligations, and growth potential. Generate it regularly to track changes. Analyzing the report enables informed decision-making and effective communication with stakeholders. Understanding and reviewing the balance sheet report empowers you to make informed financial decisions and drive your business's success. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.